Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 4, Unit 3, Living Things and Environments, and this is video part 1 of 2. This unit tutorial will be in 2 parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out being confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit, and how to make any adaptations for your class. So we'll walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available to teach this unit are the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook online, additional resources to go alongside some lessons, and a Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources, log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions and the subject and year group you want. You'll need to scroll down to access the resources, and you can scroll through all of them here or use the drop-down tab to select the year group and unit you'd like. Here you'll find all the resources you need to teach that unit. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit, and they can be found in the progression document as well as the unit planning guidance. Alternatively, you can pause the video now to read through them. Here are the main links to this unit's prior and future learning. You can find this full information full of the linking facts in the start of the unit planning guidance. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 10 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. People should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before going forward. Every lesson ends with 2 exit questions, which also allow teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide. To prepare to teach unit planning guidance, we recommend you read through the trip suggestions or activities that need resources, the unit planning guidance, as well as future and prior learning suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using Pupil Workbook. We'd recommend using the Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy. We provide the answers for each activity. But working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in people's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. You may have 1 or 2 pupils in mind. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars before you start each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back to part 2 where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit. And we'll see you back for part 2 where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.